Hi, my name is Sophia, and this is my video entry for Lecture 2 in Public Speaking. For this week, we watched a TED Talk presented by Michael Burrows, where he talks about the ethical challenges that arise in our life as well as our environment. His main topic was how every individual acts on these challenges differently. When we're presented with a challenge in this way, we begin to ask ourselves what our morals are, what our core values are, and what we understand is right from wrong, as well as the way we were raised. Something that he pointed out as well was that you don't need a higher education for this. You don't need to take a special class to gain this title. This is more of a skill that's built on, and it can be a family member, a friend, a patient that you meet in order for them to be an everyday ethicist. One thing that I found that was very interesting that he pointed out was that kids begin to explore this in a classroom setting where they are being taught information, where they begin to question themselves what is right from wrong. Oftentimes this can be dismissed because they are presented information that's black and white and they aren't allowed to express thoroughly, continuing to question what is right from wrong. What I would rate this speaker is a 9 because I feel that he was engaged. He made his point very clear. He used hand gestures. He kind of paced around and was able to think clearly about what he was speaking. And he didn't just read his information off of a PowerPoint. And I feel that that was very important in order to make this conversation engaging.